All right, everybody. So it is the 6th of July. Just thought I'd give you an update on the Impala. Basically, we're gonna go this video. We're just gonna go through it and see what parts we need so I can get those on order. I did call some parts places, and they are saying because of COVID, they are having a shortage on parts. But you know, we'll see how that goes. I think the way I'm gonna try to attack this is well, honestly, the rockers are shot, so part of it is gonna be just getting the car structurally sound again. Floors are pretty much shot, but I'm gonna go into detail with it more. I'm gonna take the seat out, the dash, and then I'll update you guys a little bit more on my finding, and we'll go from there. Thanks.